Welcome back to Product Critique. In this video, we're taking a closer look at what we believe is the best upright freezer with a frost-free design currently available, the SPT UF-114W upright freezer. Whether you're tight on space, looking for energy efficiency, or simply need extra freezer capacity, this compact powerhouse might be exactly what you need. Let's dive into why the SPT UF-114W stands out in its class. First things first, this freezer is compact, just 1.1 cubic feet. Which makes it perfect for small apartments, offices, dorm rooms, or as a secondary freezer for overflow items. But don't let its size fool you. It's designed to deliver serious performance with convenience in mind. Now, when it comes to upright freezers, frost buildup can be a common issue. That's where the frost-free design of the UF-114W really shines. You'll never have to manually defrost it, saving you time and hassle. The automatic defrost system ensures consistent internal temperature and prevents icy buildup, which can reduce efficiency in traditional freezers. Let's talk about aesthetics and build. This model features a clean, white finish with a reversible door. That means you can change the door hinge to open from the left or right, which is super useful depending on your kitchen or storage setup. It's not just functional, it looks good, too. Simple, sleek, and blends easily with most interiors. Inside, you'll find a removable wire shelf, giving you flexible storage options. You can organize frozen meals, ice packs, small containers, or even popsicles with ease. It's a simple layout, but very efficient for the capacity you're working with. In terms of operation, the freezer runs quietly. That's important in tight spaces where noise can be a major annoyance. SPT has clearly paid attention to consumer needs by designing a freezer that won't interrupt your daily routine with loud humming or rattling. On the performance front, this freezer comes with a manual temperature control dial inside, allowing you to adjust the coldness depending on what you're storing. It's not overly complicated, just reliable and functional. And if you're wondering about energy usage, this model is ENERGY STAR certified, meaning it's built to consume less power while still delivering strong freezing capability. That's not just good for the planet, but for your electricity bill too. Dimensions-wise, the SPT UF-114W measures approximately 19.4 inches high, 18.5 inches wide, and 17.7 inches deep. It's compact, yes, but gives just enough space to store the essentials without dominating the room. Just unpack it, let it sit upright for a few hours if it's been on its side during shipping, then plug it in. No water lines, no special tools, just instant extra freezer space. To wrap it all up, the SPT UF-114W upright freezer is a fantastic pick if you're looking for a compact, reliable, and frost-free upright freezer. It's ideal for anyone needing a space-saving yet functional appliance, and it brings together efficiency, quiet operation, and user-friendly design in a very affordable package. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more product breakdowns and recommendations right here on Product Critique. See you in the next one.